Okay, so let's talk about the Quora notifications which you get on your email. So welcome back to Foxtecc. This is another tutorial in which I'm going to explain how stuff works, so let's get started. At first, it's important to note that notifications from the Quora app on your iPhone are different from the email notifications you receive, right? So today we're focusing on stopping just the emails specifically. Many email clients like Gmail have a built-in feature to unsubscribe from unwanted email newsletters. So if you receive any unwanted email from Quora in the Gmail app, for example, you can tap on the three dots at the top menu and select unsubscribe. This method is quick and easy, so definitely try it out. However, sometimes this may not be completely solving the problem for you, and you might still receive some emails. In such cases, you need to adjust your settings directly on the Quora. To do this, sign into your account. You can use a web browser or the actual app, so it's up to you to decide, but make sure you're signed in and then click on your profile icon to access your account settings. From there, navigate to the settings menu, of course, and in there, you'll find a section dedicated to email and notifications. Here you can manage all your notifications preferences. This section is divided into push notifications and email notifications. Since we're focusing on email, in this case, click on the emails option, of course, and in here, you'll see various options, again, for the types of email you can receive. For example, you can choose whether to receive notifications about new answers to your questions or messages, or even digest emails from Quora. You can toggle these options on or off based on your preferences. So if you don't want any email notifications at all, you can turn off all the options to stop receiving emails completely. So hope you found these steps useful. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I will catch you in the future.